Hello there, in this video I just want to quickly talk to you about my Ronin S. Now I've just finished doing my video showing you the command unit, and if you haven't seen it and you're interested in it, please do go check it out. But I wanted to give you two bits of information, and the first one is that DJI have done some very large price drops on the Ronin S this week. The UK has dropped it to £499, and that is 179 quid off. In the US it is now down to $549, and that is actually $200 off the original price. If you want to order it, there are links to that offer in the description of this video, so if you want to support the channel, please go check out those links and you can pick up your Ronin S from there. The second thing I wanted to talk to you about is something I've seen from a company called SmallRig, and they're a company that makes all sorts of things for various products, and they've started to make quite a bit of stuff for the Ronin S. And there's one thing that they've announced that is on pre-order that I think is an absolute must, and it is a port saver for the bottom of your gimbal. Now you may or may not be aware that the base of the Ronin S is aluminium, and what DJI have done is to make sure that you don't tear the threads out, they've actually put in helicoils. The problem with that is if you've strapped it to something pretty heavy like a car and it's under a lot amount of stress, it can actually tear those helicoils out. The issue with that then is it basically ruins the bottom of the battery. However, what SmallRig have released is this adapter which goes into the bottom of the gimbal. It allows you to screw it into both holes, so it is going to be fitted really strong, and it's got a whole host of holes and screws and thread adapters all the way around it. So it means that you're not going to damage your battery, but it means that you can bolt a handle to the side of it, bolt it to a car without having to worry about it tearing the threads out of the bottom. Now it costs $10, or that's what they've announced it's going to cost. You can pre-order that now as well, and I've put a link to that in the description of this video as well. I honestly think next to the command unit it is the number one thing you want to get for your Ronin, and I'm going to order it myself after I finished making this video. That is it. If you'd like to support the channel, as I've said, the Ronin S is down to £499 in the UK, $549 in the US. There's a link in the description. Please do subscribe, a button in the bottom right hand corner, and I will do another video again soon.